everybody, it's Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. On my channel, I like to bring you the best tips and tools for creating beautiful home decor on a budget. So if you're new to my channel today, a big welcome to you. I hope you like what you see and you'll consider sticking around by hitting that subscribe button. So today what I have for you is a thrift store haul. I don't do a lot of haul videos. I feel like there are a lot of them out there, but I wanted to do a small giveaway / contest with this thrift store haul. So what I'm going to show you today, I want you to, at the end of the video, in the comments, list 2 or 3 of your favorite items that I show you, and I will choose 1 or 2 comments, and those will be the items that I do DIYs with first. All right, so the first few items I'm going to show you, you may have seen before if you saw my demo video that I did of a Maker Studio stencils, but these still are pretty new thrift store finds to me, or Dollar General, which is where I got this one, but I always see like galvanized metal in thrift stores, so be on the lookout for those kind of items when you are thrifting. Okay, another one was this. It's probably like a trivet or a hot pad, but it's solid wood. You guys, if you've seen my videos, know that I love looking for wood items. And here are a couple more. I thought this little bowl with a pedestal was so gorgeous, and it was $1 at Goodwill. So always be on the lookout for wood items. Next, I think this was like a wood pitcher, but the handle broke off. I thought this would make a really pretty vase. So another wood item. All right, and I think the other one I showed in that video was this pizza board, which I'm probably going to paint and do a stencil on. All right, so that's already a lot, and I have so much more to show you. All right, this item, believe it or not, I got at a thrift store for $2. It's the old wood with the little drawers and little knobs on them. So that is something maybe you want to see me do something with. I also am always on the lookout for these. I don't know if they're actual wood. They're more that MDF, but these signs, you can always paint over these things and make it whatever design you want. All right, one other item over here. I won't put it up behind me because it is so large. These Bushel baskets, I thought this was perfect for fall coming up. This was $1 at a thrift store. All right, next, found one of these plain canvas tote bags with the rope handles. I think maybe it's from a cruise or something, but again, this can be decorated and changed up for what you want. All right, a couple more of those, what is it called? Yeah, these are like those Hobby Lobby signs that are that MDF, I think it is. Although I think this outside frame is wood. 2 of these were 50 cents each because it was half price day when we went to that store. This was actually, I'm a little embarrassed, but not really embarrassed because I didn't go diving for this. But when I went to put something in our church dumpster, somebody had put this old light fixture in there. This is wood. This had the glass metal cups. I took all the electrical wiring out of it, and I'm going to do something really cool with this light fixture and with these little flower-shaped dishes that I also bought at a thrift store. That's going to be a project, maybe not even until next spring, we'll see. All right, other wood things. This little wood box was $1. This, I'm not even sure what it is. I think it's some sort of, I don't know, but we're gonna make it what we wanna make it. So I'd call this like maybe a frame with a handle on it. All right, I gotta put some stuff over here now. I'm running out of space already. Okay. This is probably from like the 70s. It is solid wood, says mail on the front, has a little hole to hang it. This was $1.50 because it was half price. So make sure you're keeping in mind the items you want to see me DIY first. Now this I actually just found today. It is a wood frame, and I think it's like a puzzle, like a story puzzle, because each of these blocks has a piece of a story on it. So it's got 17 of these blocks that are probably, I don't know, 2.5 inches by like 4 inches. So I have a cool idea that I want to do with that. A couple of the items I found were from Target Dollar Spot, but I did find them at Goodwill. So like these 2 shutters, these were originally $7 at Target Dollar Spot. I paid $4 for each of them. I'm always on the lookout for things like wood candlesticks. So again, I found one of these for like $1.50. Couple of these cutting boards. They do say welcome to our pier. These were from Target. All the things at this particular Target's Dollar Spot were half price. So this was $1.50. I got a few of those. I have this wooden cutting board. It's a nice small size, maybe a 5x7. That was $1 from a thrift store. Are you tired yet?
No.
Okay. These I think originally were from like Hobby Lobby candlesticks. I got 2 of them and they were $1 each. They're 2 different heights. So that's really fun to be able to make different heights of things. This, I'm probably going to paint it, make it more of a silver galvanized, but this was a couple dollars. I have an idea for this silver metal tray, which I paid 50 cents for. Oh, a few more. Another metal like milk can looking thing. I don't know what these things are called, but I've always thought they were really cool. I paid $1 for this. It does have hangers on the back. I guess you could hang mugs on it, scarves, jewelry. So it's wood, so I got it. And just a couple more things here. Also from the Target Dollar Spot, half price, a set of these 2 floating shelves. It does come with hangers back here. Oh, wait. I'm trying to figure out which way they hang. I guess they hang like this. They're supposed to hang like this, like in a V. So you could put books or whatever on there. So these were originally $5. I paid $2.50 for that set of 2. And I think the last item I have to show you is this cute little cork board with these 4 really solid hooks on the bottom. And it does have a place to hang it in the back. So that was a lot of stuff. I actually, as I started taking it out, realized it was a lot more than I originally thought. But now remember, your job, if you want to enter this little contest giveaway, is to put in the comments, let's just say 2, your top 2 items from this thrift store / a couple Dollar General, Target, Dollar Spot items. In the comments, the 2 that you want to see me DIY first. And I will choose 2 comments and I will do my next thrift store flipped DIYs with those. So I will keep this open until, I'm only going to do it for a few days. Let's say Sunday night, July 19th. Sunday, July 19th, 10 p.m. Eastern time is when I will close the comments and then choose my 2 winners. So again, thanks so much for joining me. If you guys like thrift store hauls and want to see more of those, or if you just enjoyed this one, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
2.